Question number 10. Two different terms again. So I have P, Q, this is my Y. dy by dx is dp by dx plus dq by dx. So ஒரு term பண்ணலாமா? So my P is equal to x to the power of x cos x powerலியே product இருக்கு. Now taking log on both sides, log P equals log of x to the power x cos x, the power comes down. So I'll have log P equals x cos x times log of x. So இது productல இருக்கா? So I have, this is my u and this is my v. So இப்போ இது தனியா பண்ணா என்ன ஆகும்? This is going to be u is going to be x cos x. So u dash is going to be, I again have a product here. X into cos x இருக்கா? So vu dash uv dash பண்ணணும். So what is my vu dash? Cos x times 1 plus x into minus sin x. You agree? First cos x எழுதுறேன். அதுக்கப்புறம் x ஒரு derivative is going to be 1. Then I'm writing x just like that. Cos x or derivative is minus sin x. Okay. So u dash is going to be cos x minus x sin x. And what is going to be my v? V is log x. So v dash is going to be 1 divided by x. So what happens when I find the derivative? 1 by p dp divided by dx equals v u dash, which is log x times u dash, which is cos x minus x sin x plus u v dash, which is x cos x times 1 divided by x. So the x and the x gets cancelled. So what is my final dp by dx? dp by dx is going to be x to the power x cos x times log x of cos x minus x sin x plus cos x. Okay, this is my dp by dx. இப்போ q என்ன? q is going to be x square plus 1, x square minus 1. So I have q equals x square plus 1 divided by x square minus 1. Taking log on both sides, log q equals log of x square plus 1 divided by x square minus 1. So இங்க எப்படி இருக்கு? I have log of a divided by b. Whenever I have a division, it is going to be log of a minus log of b. Correcta? இப்போ இதை பண்ணா என்ன ஆகும்? What will be my log q? Next step, log q equals log of x square plus 1 log of x square plus 1 minus log of x square minus 1. Numerator minus denominator oda log. இப்போ இதை further differentiate பண்ணா என்ன ஆகும்? 1 by q times dq divided by dx equals, இது differentiate பண்ணா 1 divided by x square plus 1. Again you need to differentiate d by dx of x square plus 1. Don't forget that. Minus 1 divided by x square minus 1 times d by dx of x square minus 1. In the term you தனியா differentiate பண்ணணும். You see that you have to differentiate two different terms. Okay. Now what happens? dq by dx equals 1 by x square plus 1 times d by dx of x square plus 1 is going to be 2x plus 0 minus 1 divided by x square minus 1. d by dx of x square minus 1 is again going to be 2x. So I have 2x. So what do I have? 1 by q times dq divided by dx equals, இந்த இடத்துல LCM எடுத்தா என்ன ஆகும்? 2x times x square minus 1 minus 2x times x square plus 1 the whole divided by x square plus 1 x square minus 1. Why am I doing this? ஏன்னா dq by dx is going to be q times, which is x square plus 1 divided by x square minus 1 of. அதனால இந்த இடத்துல the numerator and the denominator can get cancelled. You see here the x square plus 1 and the x square plus 1 can get cancelled. So that is why I am taking the LCM. So what do I have? இதை multiply பண்ணா I'll have 2x cube minus 2x minus of 2x cube minus 2x. Okay, whenever you have a minus, put a bracket, divided by x square plus 1 times x square minus 1. Now this term and this term is going to get cancelled. Okay, so when I cancel those two, I'll be left with, I'm cancelling. So I'll be left with என்ன இருக்கு? dq by dx is going to be 1 divided by x square minus 1 times 2x cube minus 2x minus 2x cube plus 2x. I'm multiplying the minus inside. You see, in the minus உள்ள multiply பண்ணா, I'll have minus and plus for the two consecutive terms. Then here I'll be left with x square minus 1. இப்போ denominatorல x square minus 1 இருக்கு. It becomes a square. Numeratorல என்ன ஆகுது? 2x cube and the 2x cube will get cancelled. Okay. I'll be left with minus 4x divided by x square minus 1 the whole square. So what is my dy by dx? It is going to be the sum of these. It is going to be x to the power x cos x of log x times cos x minus x sin x plus it is over here. You see, I am copying it from here. So in the particular term plus cos x, this is my dp by dx minus 4x divided by x square minus 1 the whole square. In the இடத்துல plus of minus, அதுதான் நான் direct எழுதிருக்கேன். Okay, so you can remove the plus and directly write it. So here I have a square. So this is my final answer. Please copy. Question number 11. I again have two different terms. So in the இடத்துல this is my p, this is my q. So இப்போ first step என்ன? p equals x cos x to the power x. Taking log on both sides, log p equals log of x cos x to the power x. The power comes down. So log p equals x times log of x cos x. So in the இடத்துல two different terms இருக்கு. So this is my u and this is my v. So u is equal to x, u dash is equal to 1, v equals log of x cos x. So what is going to be my v dash? V dash is 1 divided by x cos x d by dx of x cos x. So x cos x or derivative enna? D by dx of x cos x is going to be 1 divided by x cos x அப்படியே இருக்கும். X times x cos x. So x times x cos x. Again this is my u, this is my v. So v u dash, u v dash. So v u dash plus u v dash, which is x times minus sin x. Cos x or derivative minus sin x. We saw this just two questions back. ரெண்டு question முன்னாடி தான் பார்த்தோம். So what do I have? Equals 1 by x cos x times cos x minus x sin x. So this is my v dash. So இதை substitute பண்ணா என்ன ஆகும்? I have 1 by p times dp by dx. I'm going to find the derivative equals v u dash, which is log of x cos x times 1 plus u v dash, which is x times v dash and cos x minus x sin x divided by x cos x. So the x and the x gets cancelled. So what is my dp by dx? Equals p times, which is x cos x to the power x of log of x cos x plus cos x minus x sin x divided by cos x. This is my dp by dx. இப்போ அடுத்து dq by dx பண்ணலாமா? So I have dq divided by, q equals x sin x to the power half to the power x, 1 by x. So I am going to take log on both sides. So I have log q equals log of x sin x to the power 1 divided by x. The power comes down. So log q equals 1 divided by x log of x sin x. Again u v irukka. So this is my u and this is my v. So I have u equals 1 divided by x. U dash is going to be minus 1 divided by x square. Nariya question la paathachu. Next, v is equal to log of x sin x. So when I differentiate this, v dash equals 1 divided by x sin x d by dx of x sin x பண்ணனும். So d by dx of x sin x, d by dx of x sin x and it is going to be v u dash u v dash. So it is sin x times 1 plus x into sin x or a derivative cos x. Okay, so what is my v dash? V dash is going to be 1 divided by x sin x times sin x plus x cos x. So this is my v dash. This substitute பண்ணா என்ன ஆகும்? When I differentiate 1 by q when I differentiate 1 by q times dq divided by dx is v u dash, which is log of x sin x times 1 plus u v dash, which is 1 divided by x. This is minus 1 divided by x square. Okay, marandradinga. This is minus 1 divided by x square. Then u v dash, which is sin x plus x cos x divided by x sin x. இங்க எதுவுமே cancel ஆகாது. ஏன்னா the one of the term, the power is 1 by x. கரெக்டா? இப்போ dq divided by dx is going to be q and x sin x to the power 1 divided by x times log of x sin x with a minus sign divided by x square plus sin x plus x cos x divided by x square sin x. Okay, so this is my final answer. Please copy.